Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going out to Queensland Raceway to go watch the Cruise the Night event. Going to be some pretty cool cars out there. Not bringing the EF again this time because I didn't realise it was on. I got a last minute invite with my sister because she was heading out there. So we're almost there now and we'll see you when we get there. Alrighty, so we're here now, so we're just walking over to meet up with some other people before the event actually starts because we're a little bit early. But yeah, there's a few cool things here. They got the V8 supercars out and a really cool monster truck, as you can see just here. And then here.
A couple more. Keep your ears peeled for those announcements. If you've just arrived, here's some announcements for you. If you're pre-registered online, you need to go into the signing registration office.
I got my little pepper.
Don't touch the bag. No, this is expensive.
Alright, your turn. Let's go, order up.
Hey guys, now back now. It's now the next morning. Never finished last night because we got back pretty late. But yeah, it was a really good night. It was fun to get out on track with one of the people that I know there, and in his S13. And yeah, that thing is insane. Yeah, super quick, good fun, sounds awesome. He did have a little bit of an issue where he lost his speed sensor out of his gearbox and lost a bit of his oil on track. But that was in his last session, so he made it through most of the track sessions, which is really good. And yeah, he managed to get it home, a nice easy fix, so nothing too drastic there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I have got a couple of videos coming out beforehand, and we've gotten there, which I've just noticed before. So I'm going to announce it now. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. I really appreciate it. All the support that you guys give me is great, and I really enjoy making these videos and helping you guys out with E-Series Falcons and doing stuff to them as well. So I hope I'm giving you some good insight to EF Falcons, and I'm really thankful for all the support that you guys give me. 405 subscribers now is really awesome, and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for the support. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment any questions, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.